this song for a man on the sidewalk, no shoes on his feet, while another man's drowning in gold so deep. There's a storm coming, can't you hear it? Can't you feel it? The wind is rising, the ground shakes slow, and I'm afraid we're gonna reap what we sow. There's a storm coming, can't you hear the sound? The sky is burning, but no one looks around. We shake our heads, say what a shame, but keep on playing the same old game. Tell ourselves we got no control, but I'm afraid we're gonna reap what we sow. There's a storm coming, can't you hear the sound? The sky is burning, but no one looks around. We shake our heads, say what a shame, but keep on playing the same old game. Tell ourselves we got no control, but I'm afraid we're gonna reap what we sow. There's a storm coming, can't you hear it? Can't you feel it? The wind is rising, the ground shakes slow, and I'm afraid we're gonna reap what we sow. Point your finger, say stand on me. Tell yourself that you're still free, but you lock your doors, you cover your back. So tell me, how free is that? There's a storm coming, can't you hear the sound? Can't you hear the sound? The sky is burning, and no one's looking around. There's a storm coming, and we're gonna reap what we sow. You can close your eyes, but it won't go away.